look at my hair as it waves and waves, sore under here. I've such pretty hair, silver it is, and filled with silver bubbles. Oh, and under here my blood will be a cloud, and under here my dreams are made of water. And sir, you just take my breath away. For under here my pretty breasts are piled high with stones, and I cannot breathe, and tiny little fishes enter